Hello there. So you want to know how you can put two photos side by side on iPhone, or basically call it a collage. If you want to know how to make collages on your iPhone, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So for this tutorial, you will need no third-party apps. Simply go ahead and just download your iPhone's shortcut application, and we have to create a shortcut for the first time. So simply tap on the plus icon on the top right, and then simply go ahead and look for photos, and then simply go ahead and click select photos. Once you do that, simply tap on the icon right over here and then click on select multiple, then search for another action, which is going to be combine photos. So combine images right over there. And now simply go ahead and search for another one which says save to photos. So that is it. You can simply go ahead and rename it to something like merge photos, something like that, or maybe something like merge photos vertical. So there you go. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your photos tab, and then simply go ahead and look for the photos that you want to go ahead and combine. All you need to do is tap on the share icon, and if you scroll all the way down, as you can see, you will be able to see merge photos right over here. And if you don't, simply go ahead and add your new action, which was set by you. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and run this little shortcut. So let me just go ahead and head into shortcuts again, and then simply go ahead and run it. Now, when you run it, as you can see, it will let you select multiple photos. Simply go ahead and select your photos. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Click on tap the tick mark, and then it will simply go ahead and merge photos and then save it. It is as simple as that. If you go ahead and check it on your photos tab, it is going to be right over there. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.